Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will show you beautiful garden decor ideas. So I hope viewers you are enjoying my videos. So friends, let's start today video. So friends, my first idea is viewers. Friends, and friends, so my first idea is your garden does not have to be hug or expensive to look beautiful. With a little creative, some simple decoration and a few handmade ideas, you can turn an ordinary outdoor space into a peaceful and beautiful place. Whether you have a large garden, a small backyard, and a balcony garden, or just a little outdoor corner, there are many ways to make it look more beautiful. And friends, beautiful flower pot. Let's begin with one of the easy garden decor ideas, flower pot. Flower can instantly make any garden look colorful and fresh. Instead of keeping your pot in a simple row, try placing them at different heights. You can choose wooden stand, small shells, or tools or plant holder. Paint your pot in soft color or decorate them with a simple pattern. You can even use old constanter and give them a new life as a beautiful plant pot. And weavers, my next idea is friends, hanging planter. So weavers, hanging plants are perfect when you don't have much space. You can hang small pots from a wall, fence, balcony, or wooden shelter. Plants with long leaves or hanging flower can create a beautiful nature effect. Use different sizes of hanging pot to make the space more interesting. You can also create handmade hanging baskets using rope or crochet. Viewers, I hope you're enjoying my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So friends, Allah Hafiz, see you in the next video. Take care and Khuda Hafiz, viewers. And friends.